Hey y'all, we are doing another night of chicken strum chicken drumsticks. It's the second half part of the family bundle I showed you a couple weeks ago, to where I have gotten a family pack for half off for like a $2.50 for the whole pack. So here's my other 8. And last one we did the air fryer. Today we are doing the handy dandy Instant Pot. I haven't done this recipe yet, and I have gotten it out of this book, and it's barbecued drumsticks. So we'll see how these do and compare. So I've got my saute setting going, so I'm going to go ahead and we'll get started. And throughout, I'll show you the spices I use as we add them. So don't worry, you'll see what we've got going. So first thing is for me, these are sauteing. I'm to add some olive oil. I think it's a couple tablespoons. And then my spices. Here's my spices, and again, I'll put them up on the screen. Let me grab, here it comes. Some of these are still, I think, a little frozen. I pulled them out last night. So even being frozen, they still, spices are getting to me choked up. But I'm just Alright, we're back. These are getting close to being done. And I did add a little bit more oil to the pan. Just checking. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Says, I think, a cup for this first part. So we're going to do that, eyeball it. If you were to see me right now, I had to get my step stool out so I could see inside the pot, since my voice is I'm short. Right now the chicken broth. Alright, so now I'm going to, let's see, cancel this. Put the lid on, and then I'm going to, I'm still used to my old one. There we go. It looks pretty good. So now the third step is to put it under the broiler for, let's see, 5 minutes. So I'm going to get that ready put in, and let me get these in, and then it says to put the last little bit of barbecue sauce on it. I did cook these for an extra 3 minutes because they were frozen, or not, they were still a tad bit frozen, I should say. So I just want to make sure they got done. Wow, this one is a big one. So you should have one more. Looks good. I'm ready to get in now. Alright, so let me get this on, I should say. Whoa. How they turn out compared to the air fryer. Alright, we are back. The chicken is done, and I got the sides ready to go. But here is the chicken up close and personal. Looks pretty good. So here comes the taste test. Let me get over here. Alright. This would probably easily feed 4 to 5 people, depending on how many you got, or if adults, kids, you name it. So let me raise it up a little. That's probably not any better. I'll just do this. All right, so let me dish up and let you see the outcome. It's stuffing. My husband just got back from a work trip, so he's been eating out since Tuesday. So I just wanted to do something too that it wasn't fast food or eat out. He'll get that Sunday with Mother's Day. All right. Let's see. I think I'm going to use a fork. It's still warm. All right, let's try this with right hand. You can tell it got cooked. So here we go. Very good. I almost like this better, but both ways is really good. But I hope you enjoyed it. And when you find a good deal on chicken legs, go for it. And just decide what you got to go on hand, because I think this meal would have been about $5. And like I said, would feed 4 to 5 people, depending on adults, kids. So I hope you have a good evening, and if you like it, please like and share. And if you're not a subscriber and like this content, please subscribe. Thank you. And have a good weekend. Have a good Mother's Day for the mothers out there, and we'll see you soon.